Hi everyone, my name is Atishay, and in today's video we will be talking about one strategy or trick that can save you thousands of rupees in paying taxes. Those who not know me, I have been investing in the US and India stock markets from last 2 years. This is my first video, so let's get started. So I have been talking to a lot of investors slash traders lately, and they think just paying the short-term capital gains or the long-term capital gains on their trade profits are enough. But you can end up paying a lot of taxes on your trade profits at the end of the financial year if you don't plan them well. So one thing that I wanted to cover in this video is advanced taxes. We will be covering four major things in this particular video. First, some background and key data about advanced taxes. Second, one case study on how to plan your taxes well. Third, how to calculate your advanced tax during the different quarters of the year. Fourth and last, how to actually pay advanced taxes on the government portal. So let's talk about some numbers. According to the CBDT data, over 60 million people filed ITRs last year, but only 15% out of it paid advanced taxes last year. So most people think that paying just the STCG or the LTCG is enough, but even if you earn like 1 rupee from stocks, from cryptos, from mutual funds, from US dividends, you may owe advanced taxes to the government. And if you don't pay it, you could be slapped with a 1% monthly interest penalty, which can approximately be 12% in one financial year. Let's talk about who needs to pay advanced taxes. So if your income is like just from your salary, from a job, you might not need to pay advanced taxes. But if you earn anything from stocks, from crypto, from US stock dividends, or your freelance income, obviously you have to pay advanced taxes to the government. Now let's just talk about one case study where I will show you how you can avoid paying 24,000 extra just by planning better. Let's say you earned 10 lakh rupees in the last financial years from various sources like stock trading, from cryptos, from US dividends, from your mutual funds. Since it's a short-term capital gain, obviously you will be taxed at 20% and you have to pay like 2 lakh rupees for your income or your profit. Let's say you pay the short-term capital gain at the end of the financial year, then you have to pay 2 lakh rupees plus an interest penalty of 1% into 3 months, that is like 6,000 rupees. Then obviously you didn't pay your taxes for 3 quarters. Then you have to pay 18,000 more, which is like you have to pay 24,000 extra on a short-term capital gain of 2 lakhs rupees. Now, if we compare it with someone who pay like advanced taxes every quarter, then obviously they will be saving like 24,000 in that particular financial year. Now let's move up to the next section, which is how to calculate your advanced taxes. You first have to consider your all sources of income. I'm not considering your salary because I believe that your TDS is deducted from your employer itself while giving you salary. So I will be just considering the stock gains, the crypto profits, maybe the mutual fund returns that you are getting if you have sold a mutual fund within like 1 year of buying it, some FD returns, freelance work, US stock dividends, and much more that you can think of. Now let's talk about some steps to calculate your advanced taxes. In a financial year, the quarter starts from April to June, then the second quarter is July to September, and so on. And there's an advanced tax submission deadline for every quarter, which is the 15th of the last month of that particular quarter. Let's say for the very first quarter, that is like April to June, the advanced tax deadline is June 15th. For the last quarter, January to March, the advanced tax deadline is March 15th. And let's say you generate income of 1,50,000 in the very first quarter, and you will be taxed at 20% because of short-term capital gain. Then you have to pay 30,000, and this needs to be paid before June 15th for that particular quarter. I would say it's really that simple because you just have to forecast, you have to estimate, you have to split for your quarters, and you have to pay. Now coming to the last and the final section, how to pay your advanced taxes once you have calculated it. You don't need your CA. You don't have to spend hours in submitting your tax returns and all while submitting advanced taxes. It's really simple and it's going to take like only 5 minutes of your time. So I have presented a table in front of you. I will be not going much into details for every step because it's self-explanatory. So you have to just follow these 9 steps. I will just summarize it for you. Just go onto the income tax portal, log in using your PAN credentials, click on e-pay tax, make a new payment, select the assessment year as 26-27. Click on advanced tax, enter the amount for this particular quarter and pay via net banking, UPI, debit cards. Credit cards, I'm not sure. Please let me know in the comment section whether the credit cards are allowed or not. We are almost at the end of the video. If you earn anything beyond your salary, please consider paying your advanced taxes. You might end up saving thousands of rupees. Since this is my first video, please drop in your questions, your feedback, which other topics you want me to cover in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.